Hello everybody, and welcome to HD Interiors. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of kitchen design. Whether you're planning a renovation or building a brand new space, designing a kitchen that is both functional and stylish is crucial. Your kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's the heart of your home. It's where meals are crafted, conversations happen, and memories are made. But how do you design a kitchen that meets all your needs and looks great at the same time? In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to create your dream kitchen. From assessing your space and choosing the right layout, to selecting appliances and designing lighting, we've got you covered. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the world of kitchen design. Start by measuring your kitchen's dimensions, including walls, windows, doors, and ceiling height. Accurate measurements ensure everything fits perfectly. Consider how you use your kitchen daily. Do you need ample counter space for cooking, a layout for entertaining guests, or a multifunctional area for family activities? Identifying your specific needs will guide your design choices. Think about storage. Assess your cookware, utensils, and pantry items to determine if you need extra cabinets, a large pantry, or specialized storage solutions. Finally, decide on the style you want, modern, rustic, or traditional. This will influence your choices in materials, colors, and overall design. By assessing your needs and space, you'll lay the groundwork for a functional and stylish kitchen. Choosing a layout style. Selecting the right kitchen layout is crucial for both functionality and aesthetics. Here are some common layout styles to consider. Single wall. Ideal for small spaces, this layout places all appliances and cabinets along one wall. It's compact and efficient, making it perfect for minimalist designs. Galley. This layout features two parallel walls with a walkway in between. It's highly efficient for cooking as it reduces unnecessary steps between different work areas. Suitable for small to medium-sized kitchens. L-shaped. With cabinets on two perpendicular walls, the L-shaped layout offers flexibility and an efficient work triangle. It's great for open floor plans and allows for multiple cooks in the kitchen. U-shaped. Surrounding you with cabinets and appliances on three walls, the U-shaped layout provides ample storage and counter space. It's ideal for larger kitchens and those who need plenty of room for cooking and storage. Island. Adding an island to any layout enhances workspace and storage. It can also serve as a casual dining area or a place for guests to gather. Islands are best suited for medium to large kitchens with enough space to accommodate them. Peninsula. Similar to an island but attached to a wall or counter, the Peninsula layout offers additional workspace and seating without needing as much floor space as an island. It's a good option for smaller kitchens that still want the benefits of an island. Choosing the right layout style depends on your kitchen size, shape, and how you use the space. By selecting a layout that fits your needs, you'll create a more functional and enjoyable kitchen environment. Applying the work triangle principle. The work triangle is a key concept in kitchen design, connecting the sink, stove, and refrigerator for efficient workflow. Here's how to apply it effectively. Keep the sides of the triangle between 4 and 9 feet for easy movement. Aim for a total perimeter of 13 to 26 feet for optimal access. Avoid obstructions within the triangle for smooth workflow. Prioritize placing the sink, stove, and refrigerator for efficient cooking. By following the work triangle principle, your kitchen layout will be both functional and efficient. Effective storage solutions are essential for a well-organized and functional kitchen. Consider these aspects when planning for storage. Cabinets. Utilize both upper and lower cabinets to maximize storage space. Custom cabinetry can be beneficial for odd or unique spaces in your kitchen. Pantry. Incorporate a pantry if you have space. It's perfect for storing dry goods, canned items, and bulk purchases, keeping them organized and easily accessible. Drawers. Use a combination of deep and shallow drawers for different items. Deep drawers are great for pots, pans, and larger utensils, while shallow drawers work well for cutlery and small gadgets. Specialized storage. Consider adding pull-out shelves, lazy Susans, and other organizers to make the most of cabinet space. These solutions can help you access items in the back of cabinets more easily. By planning for adequate storage, you'll ensure that your kitchen remains clutter-free and functional, with everything you need within reach. Selecting the right appliances is crucial for a functional kitchen. Here are key considerations. Choose appliances that fit your space and cooking needs. Consider energy-efficient models for long-term savings. Arrange appliances strategically to optimize workflow. Place the refrigerator near the entrance for easy access, and position the stove near the countertop for seamless cooking. Look for appliances with features that enhance convenience, such as self-cleaning ovens, adjustable shelves in refrigerators, and quiet dishwashers. Consider the style and finish of appliances to complement your kitchen's aesthetic. Stainless steel is popular for its modern look, while matte finishes offer a sleek and contemporary vibe. By carefully selecting and placing appliances, you'll create a kitchen that's both functional and visually appealing. Counter space is essential for food preparation, serving, and storage. Here's how to plan for it effectively. Ensure you have ample counter space near the sink and stove for food prep. This allows for easy chopping, mixing, and assembling dishes. Leave space on either side of the stove and refrigerator for landing zones. These areas are convenient for placing hot pots, pans, or groceries as you cook or unload groceries. If your kitchen layout allows, consider adding an island or peninsula. These features not only provide additional counter space, but can also serve as a dining area or a place for guests to gather while you cook. By prioritizing counter space and designing it for functionality, you'll create a kitchen that is efficient and enjoyable to work in. Proper lighting is crucial for creating a functional and inviting kitchen environment. Here are key aspects to consider when designing lighting. Install under-cabinet lights or pendant lights above work areas such as the sink, stove, and countertops. This provides focused illumination for cooking and food preparation tasks. Use ceiling-mounted fixtures or recessed lights to provide overall illumination throughout the kitchen. This ensures that the entire space is well lit and comfortable to work in. Consider adding accent lighting to highlight specific features or areas in your kitchen, such as a decorative backsplash, artwork, or the island. This adds visual interest and enhances the ambience of the space. If possible, maximize natural light by incorporating large windows or skylights. Natural light not only brightens the kitchen but also creates a welcoming atmosphere. By combining task, ambient, and accent lighting, as well as maximizing natural light, you'll create a well-lit and visually appealing kitchen that is both functional and beautiful. Effective ventilation is crucial in the kitchen to remove odors and excess moisture. Install a hood above your stove to capture cooking fumes and odors. Consider fans near areas prone to moisture, like sinks, to reduce humidity. Use windows to improve airflow and circulate fresh air while cooking. Ensure the ventilation system directs air outside to prevent recirculation. By planning for ventilation, you'll maintain a clean and healthy kitchen environment. Designing a kitchen isn't just about functionality, it's also about creating a visually appealing space that reflects your style. Choose durable and easy-to-clean materials for countertops, backsplashes, and flooring. Options include granite, quartz, ceramic tile, and hardwood floors. Select a color scheme that complements your home's overall design. Neutral tones like white, gray, and beige are timeless, while bold colors can add personality. Choose stylish yet functional hardware for cabinets and drawers. Opt for high-quality faucets and fixtures that match the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. By incorporating aesthetics into your kitchen design, you'll create a space that is not only functional but also visually appealing and inviting. As you can see, designing a kitchen layout involves a combination of practical considerations and aesthetic choices. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a kitchen that not only meets your functional needs, but also reflects your personal style. Remember to assess your space carefully, choose a layout that works for you, apply the work triangle principle for efficiency, plan for adequate storage and counter space, select the right appliances, design lighting that enhances functionality, ensure proper ventilation, and incorporate aesthetics to create a visually pleasing environment. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast, a busy parent, or someone who loves to entertain, a well-designed kitchen can make your daily routines more enjoyable and efficient. So take your time, consider your options, and create a kitchen that truly feels like the heart of your home. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends or family who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more home design tips and inspiration. We love hearing from you, so feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Happy designing, and may your kitchen be a space where memories are made and delicious meals are shared.